Hello guys, this is Henry. Henry, where are we and what are we doing today?
Hello, we're at the rocket launch field and we're going to be launching this model rocket with an A83 motor.
Yes, very nice. So, as you can see over there, there's the launch site and we're just going to go and get set up.
We're launching is nobody stands upwind, nobody stands downwind. So our wind is coming in this way, so everybody stands out in that area.
Okay.
Alright. Styled and then let's have someone timing.
Okay, explain what's going on.
Hello, so Whitney is launching their rocket right now and this is going to be used in the competition, so we're going to see a really big launch right now.
You excited?
Soon. I'm excited.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then I want to do robotics, and then my parents
Launching
said,
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
do a little kick.
A little?
Yeah.
Okay, take the safety key out, put it down. So you got the sun. Oh, there it is, okay. This is right over here. Get on my side. Get on my side.
Alright, so
put it up on the straight part. Up higher, higher. No, you're not on it, are you? No. Go up higher.
like higher.
This way.
Okay.
Okay, safety is go.
Alright.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay. Okay. All right. When you took that tape off that guy, right, safety is go.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got the same stop.
There we
go. I thought you said you had a streamer in it, Henry.
That's recovery. We use it as recovery wadding.
Really confused.
You only dropped it about 3.
Well, we adjusted the ballast as a
Because
result.
we're using a different batch of motors. This time around.
F32.8,
Yep.
Yes,
new batch.
new batch.
Yeah. 031. I believe.
Give me some cool hand moves like a. Oh, look at that. Crazy. Okay, Henry, what are we doing?
So now we're attaching the mini clips onto the igniter.
Okay.
When we do that, we want to loop the wire around the clips so that we can guarantee contact between them.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do that now.
Okay. So start with one so we can see it. Okay. Boom. And so it's done one full rotation and that clip isn't going anywhere?
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, then we
And
move
then
on
the
to the
other
next one. There we go. Awesome.
Whoa, nice.
Wow, look at that big rocket, man.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yes.
Everybody, this is a heads up flight.
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does that mean anyway? Anything
You
can
catch it,
happen?
you get to go home.
Ooh. Okay, safety is go.
Launching in 5. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Woo!
Oh, we gotta put a D-motor in that thing.
Woo!
Hell yeah. Put it down on the ground.
No way.
And you'll recover your rocket.
That's probably the wadding.
I got it. I got it.
Looks like it. Go right down.
Y'all put wadding in that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's
What'd I tell you guys, huh?
Okay. I'm documenting you telling us how to document. Okay, tell us.
Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
So, big tip from Whitney Young
Then
Aerospace
the motor that goes into it.
is to document everything.